In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to identify fraudulent or scammy email that try to defraud you of your hard-earned money. While I teach you how to make money online, you need to be aware of what I'm going to be showing you in this particular video, because any slightest mistake you'll be making here, you are going to be in serious problem. So I'm going to be breaking everything down using this particular email I'm showing you on my screen. What are the key things you need to know and how do you avoid them? So you need to understand that every platform you are going to be using, from your email, your social media handle, your files and everything, are grouped into what you call digital assets. Yes, some of you are hearing this word for the very first time, but the thing there is they are digital assets because they are the tools that you are going to be using to do business with people all over the world. Your account number, your email, your social media handle, all these things need to be well protected. So pay close attention. I'm going to be breaking everything down using this particular email. As simple as this email can be, it can render your email useless in the next couple of minutes if you don't pay close attention whenever you are reading emails like this. So one thing you need to understand here is people who do most of these scammy things online are people who understand how the internet works to a large extent. They know that people do very serious businesses online and millions of dollars are flying all over the internet every blessed day. And people are having a lot of money in their accounts every blessed day as they do businesses. So what they try to do is to create an urgency for something that does not even exist in the first instance, so that they can use it to collect money, just the way they do in offline, where they just call you to tell you that they notice that the information in your account is incomplete, so they will call one number for you to call it for them. That is an OTP. The moment you do that mistake, your money is gone. So this is a breakdown now you need to know. So the first thing you need to know is whenever an email claims to come to you, or a text message claim is coming from a reputable organization, like in the case of this, we have PayPal here. PayPal is a worldwide organization that takes care of processing payment. It's an online payment processor with billions of dollars being exchanged for goods and services every day. But one thing you will notice with this email is it claims it is an invoice from me, who they claim that I made a payment of, this is the amount they claim, 400 and something dollar, that is being going to be deducted from my account within the next 24 hours. So if I don't recognize the transaction, I can cancel it. And please, that the only way I can cancel it is through a particular email from a particular phone number, which is not true. No platform like PayPal or big organization will tell you to cancel and the transaction is to call a particular number. That is the first thing you need to be aware of. All this information are just fraudulent, they are not real. So the first thing you need to do is, first, when they anywhere you see any information claiming that it is you have done a transaction and for you to cancel it you should call a particular number, ignore that number. Just go to your account, just log in. If there is any transaction in it, you are going to see records of your transaction. Go to your activity, whether it's on the bank app or even on the PayPal account. Once you don't see it, just forget about it. It's pure scam. That is the first step. The next thing you do is look at the email, look at the source of the email. In this case, you see where this email is claiming to come from. That is from a Songler 1999 Gmail. That is, PayPal cannot come to a very low level like this to send you an email using this domain. Gmail cannot use a domain. PayPal cannot use Gmail as their domain because it's a very big platform already. So they already have their own domain, which is paypal.com. So this automatically shows that this email is a fraudulent email because this is a personal account from an individual who is trying to play fraud. And one thing they always do is they try to create a nonsense form of urgency, which they will tell you that thank you for using those, and you will be charged or deducted from your account, which it is already clear that the information is pure false. So try to pay close attention, and they try to claim that it's a particular amount. By the time you make any mistake to call this account, all they will be interested is to get your password and any other OTP that they are going to send to you, which they will use to defraud you at the end of the day, wipe all the money in your account. So for you to save yourself from this type of things, especially for a lot of people I have come across on the internet over the years, some of them will not want to use their cards on most internet platform. So what I always advise is, if you don't want to use your card on this internet platform to make payment for goods and services, There are a lot of ways. We have Wise, we have Western Union, we have, the list is endless. Then we also have platform that allows you to generate virtual card where you can use. So you can actually generate a dedicated virtual card where you can use for your transactions online. And the only thing you do with those cards is they are going to be debit card. What do I mean by debit card? The only thing you can do is to be able to make payments. You cannot borrow money with it. So that invariably means that it saves you the stress of anybody using your card to borrow money. And once you get that particular card, the next thing you do is you fund it only when you're about to do that transaction. When you do that transaction, you just keep it dormant. So you have nothing to worry yourself about anybody having access to that account to just debit you, and they cannot debit you in advance. That is the truth. No matter how the platform claims to be on auto renewal, it will not work. So that is how it is. And once it is that way, if there's any auto renewal, maybe in the event of error coming to that account, you'll be notified and you can easily cancel it. So that is a very simple trick I used to. So I believe you learned something in this particular video. So I will go detail to show you some key things about this email. I've showed you the amount, I've shown you this is an indication it's fraudulent. Some of them comes with underground code. So all you have to do is you go to the lower part of the email, ignore all this false information, just click forward. By the time you click on this forward, you will forward this email to this particular email where I'm going to be showing you. Just send this to this email, fishy@paypal.com. So you can see this is the proper domain name for PayPal. So it's a global platform that has this particular thing. So take note. I believe you learned something in this particular video. See you in my next video.